I'm gonna tie a couple more leaders if you wanna watch this. I got a 6/0 Mustad stainless. I can keep reusing them. But you stir it in here. You grab it with your left fingers. Pin it. There's a crease in that hook where it's bent and formed, and you always wrap away from it. And you do 5 wraps. Now you put your finger on it and pin it so it doesn't unravel. Then you run this line back through this way, back towards your pole. And then you take the line you were wrapping with and you hold it so it doesn't unravel, and then you pin this back down and you do 5 more. Like so. Looks like that. Then you wet it with saliva and you pull it through. Like that. Trim off the end. Grab another hook. Run it down the line, same direction. These are some of the hooks I've reused. And you want it about the size, you're going to keep the separation between hooks about the same size as your herring. So if you had a small herring, you were going to make it closer. If you got a bigger herring, you're going to make it wider apart. So once you get to about the same size herring we're fishing a lot of blues and greens, sizes that we just caught. You're going to do the same thing. Pinch it with your left fingers, wrap away from that crack that you can see. So because if you wrap towards it, as soon as it gets tension on it, it wants to dig in there and it'll break your line. So you wind it away from the crack 5 times. Grab the end of your line again. Stick it back up so it's going back towards your pole. Lay it back down. 5 times. Wet it a little bit of saliva so it pulls a little easier. Get your twists out. And pull it tight. And that's a rig right there. Now I'm going to run a short leader on these, because we don't want to be much longer than the wire of your spreader bar. You just grab about where you think you're going to need it, make a loop, double it up, double overhand. Trim off the tail. And there's one more leader.
And what do they call that again?
It's just a solid tie snell rig, a mooching rig.
That's Savage right there.
Tip from the Savage.
What do you think about that, Jack? It's a good tip, huh?
Oh yeah. Well, if he catches fish, it'll be good. He'll agree, but until he catches fish here, we'll see what happens.
Well, go over and subscribe, like, and comment.
Hey, he's already got that down, folks.